Hey everyone, today I'll be going over and demonstrating this new seamless geometric pattern brush set for Procreate on your iPad or iPad Pro. Alright, I'm just going to jump right into it. If any of you are interested in using this set, I will leave a link to my store in the description below so you can check them out there. Alright, so in my gallery, I'm going to go ahead and create a new canvas, and to do that, you just want to tap on the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, next to where it says new canvas, I'm going to go ahead and hit this little black icon to create a new canvas size. Here's where you can name your canvas, determine the width, height, and DPI, as well as choose if you want to measure it in millimeters, centimeters, inches, or pixels. By default, it's automatically set to pixels, so for this video, I just want to go ahead and change that to inches. Now, I'll change the width to 8.5, the height to 11, and make sure the DPI is set to at least 300. And hit create. I'm using this particular canvas size just for the sake of the video. It's the size of regular printer paper and a pretty standard printing resolution, but you can use whatever size that works best for whatever project you're working on. And again, just make sure that the resolution is set to at least 300 DPI in order to get the best results, especially if you plan on printing your finished design or artwork. Okay, so there are a total of 30 brushes altogether. The file that you download will be 3 separate brush sets all bundled into one, and I'll quickly go over the basics of using one of them in real time, then I'll speed things up and demonstrate how each brush looks so you know exactly what to expect if you decide to download this set. Okay, so just like any other brush set, you'll adjust the size with this slider on the left. With these brushes, changing the size will change the density of the pattern as well as the diameter of the brush stroke, and I'll show you what I mean by that. With the brush size all the way up, you'll get a pretty big pattern and you can quickly cover a lot of area with each brush stroke. Now let me set it a little bit smaller and see how that looks. You'll notice that the pattern becomes smaller as well as the stroke size itself, so just experiment and adjust it to whatever size that would work best for whatever project you're working on. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up and show you all the other brushes. I really enjoy using these for quickly adding some interesting geometric elements into my digital artwork. Being able to adjust the size to fit the design that I'm working on really increases my options and makes for some really cool design opportunities in my opinion. And again, as long as your canvas has a decent resolution, they don't look all pixelated like I've experienced with some other lower quality brushes. So if they do look blurry or pixelated, just bump up your DPI and you should be all good to go. Since all of these have a transparent background, you can easily change the color of them to get some really cool effects. You can easily use them inside of different types of shapes just to make some pretty cool filler for things like stickers or printable artwork, coloring pages. I have a lot of fun just playing around with these and experimenting with them. Being able to quickly try out different brushes to find the right one for the project is a huge time saver. So instead of having to start all over if I'm not happy with the one that I thought would look good, I'm able to change things up within just maybe a few minutes. So where it normally would have taken me an hour or more to plan out and draw a whole new pattern, I can just switch things up real quick. For anyone who is curious, these are for both personal and commercial use. So you can use them for anything from personal artwork, commissioned artwork, you can design tattoos using them. Different types of graphic design like t-shirts and other merch. I've used these for laser engraving designs, different types of print-on-demand products, so they're pretty versatile. I will be putting out new videos weekly that will show my process for using sets like this to add interesting elements to my artwork and designs. So I'll be showing you my workflow for making things like tattoo designs, t-shirt designs, illustrations for art prints, all kinds of different stuff. So if that's something that interests you, I would really appreciate it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. It'll keep me inspired to keep creating and making new content for you guys. This is my very first video, so it'd be really great to get some feedback from everyone. I will be giving away this brush set for free to my first 10 subscribers, and I'll have new brushes that I'm going to give away every single month, so make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that. I'm curious to see how some of you would incorporate these brushes into your own artwork or design workflow. Let me know in the comments if you could see these being useful for you in any way. I'd love to hear any ideas that you guys have. Also, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I will answer them as best as I can. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks everyone.